The new Mini-Jarraff rear lot trimmer is the first residential trimming option to combine the capability of larger all-terrain tree trimmers with the precision capabilities of a bucket truck or climbing operation. A minimal footprint and compact profile let the Mini-Jarraff travel and operate in areas where only climbing crews could before. The unit's patented self-leveling carrier allows the Mini-Jarraff to travel effectively on all types of terrain. A superior design eliminates the need for traditional outriggers and offers greater stability than other self-contained trimmers. The Mini-Jarraff brings a new level of safety and productivity to rear lots and residential areas once served primarily by conventional trimming techniques. For precision cutting operations in rural areas, tight urban landscapes, and residential neighborhoods, it has to be the Mini-Jarraff rear lot trimmer. The Mini-Jarraff is able to perform precision cuts to arborist standards. A wireless remote system gives the user complete control of the unit and can be effectively operated at a distance of up to 300 feet. The unit offers quick setup and a dynamic range of operation, including a near 360-degree rotation and 20-degree leveling capability. The inner and outer booms rotate 90 degrees in either direction, providing the operator the ability to position the blade at the angle necessary to perform the most desired cut. The boom delivers a 55-foot vertical reach, letting users effectively trim those tough-to-reach branches. And a patented self-leveling carrier allows the Mini-Jarraff to operate in areas where other equipment or techniques are ineffective. Because the unit requires no outriggers for operation and can easily navigate through difficult rural areas or tight urban landscapes, it's the first choice for residential right-of-way maintenance and rear lot trimming operations. The Mini-Jarraff's slim 36-inch traveling width allows it to travel easily through standard gates and backyard fencing, providing unmatched access for residential trimming. The Mini-Jarraff trimmer provides a low-impact, non-invasive approach to rural, urban, and suburban tree trimming and right-of-way maintenance operations, leaving lawns and landscapes unaffected. The new Mini-Jarraff rear lot trimmer is the most advanced remote cutting system available today. The Mini-Jarraff adds productivity and efficiency to every job site. With workers controlling operations from the ground, the Mini-Jarraff helps improve safety as well. And with cost savings estimated at 50% over conventional trimming techniques, the Mini-Jarraff is a valuable addition to any arbor or row maintenance fleet. For more information on the Mini-Jarraff rear lot trimmer, contact Jarraff Industries today.